Today we will learn about the classification of computers. So first question arises in our mind that what is a computer? A computer is an electronic data processing machine which accepts data, processes it and then produces output. With the technological advancement, improvements and developments were made in the hardware and software components. These developments can be further categorized in the following ways: based on generations, based on type, based on size, and based on purpose. So we first come into first generation computers. The first generation computers used vacuum tubes as the main electronic component. During this generation, ENIAC means Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator was developed by Professor J. Presper Eckert. It is uh, it is used between 1940 to 1956. These computers were very large and it occupied a lot of space. These computers are also difficult to operate. Next, we come to second generation computers. The second generation computers are used between 1956 and 1963. It uses transistors instead of vacuum tubes. It is more faster, smaller, and is more improved in performance and more reliable than the first generation computers. These computers still needed a cooling system. They are used for specific purposes only. The third generation computers were used between 1964 to 1971. It uses integrated circuits. During this generation, C, C++, Java, etc. were developed. Next, we come to fourth generation computers. In this generation, microprocessors started using instead of ICs, transistors, or vacuum tubes. It is more powerful and reliable than the other generations of computers. Uh, in this generation, high-speed processors may need special attention during its usage. The malfunctioning of processors requires latest technology. Next, we come to fifth generation computers. The fifth generation computers is in present and as well as in future. Uh, these computers are used. These computers does not possesses intelligence, but scientists are working to produce intelligent so that computers can take decisions on their own. Next, we come to uh, microcomputers. Microcomputers are mainly used in homes, schools, offices, and shops. Uh, they are used by only one person at a time. It is first developed by the IBM International Business Machine Corporation. For example of microcomputers are laptops, desktop, computer, tablets, smartphones, personal digital assistants, PDA, etc. Next, we come to mini computers. Mini computers are smaller than mainframe computers but bigger than microcomputers. These computers have a higher capacity to store data and also support multi-user system and local area network. Some examples of mini computer are IBM mini computer and Honeywell 200. Mainframe computer are larger than mini computers and microcomputers. These computers are generally used in large industries, banking organization, advanced scientific research center, and etc. IBM Z series, System Z9 and System Z10 series are some example of mainframe computers. Supercomputers. They are the most powerful computers in use today. They are specifically used for space research and scientific organization, weather forecasting, robotics, etc. Cray 1 Cray 1 was developed by the Cray Research Inc. USA was the first supercomputer developed. Param and Anurag are supercomputers made in India. Next, we come to based on purposes. There are there are general purpose computers and special purpose computers. General purpose computers are used to manage a variety of tasks. In these computers, instruction needed to perform particular tasks are temporarily stored into internal memory. The same hardware can be used to execute different programs. General purpose computers are more versatile than special purpose computers. They are used for purposes like playing games, watching videos, doing research, performing calculations, preparing sale reports, etc. Special purposes computer. Special purposes computer can be divided into three parts, that is mobile computers, game console and embedded computers. We all know that mobile computer refers to any computer or other electronic device that have portable functionality. Uh, Mobile computer is a useful friend in our daily life. They perform calculation and can be used for creating a document similar to any other computer. For example, smartphone, tablets, laptop, palm-top, etc. are mobile computers. Next we come to gaming consoles. Consoles are nothing but the electronic devices that are used to play computer games on a bigger screen. They are computer designed with special hardware and software programs. They are equipped with high-speed processors and quality graphics. However, we can play some fixed games on our personal computers for the sake of entertainment. Some examples of gaming consoles are PlayStation 4, Xbox Series, Nintendo Switch, etc. Next we come to embedded computers. Embedded computers are devices that consist of hardware and software combined together for dedicated tasks. In embedded computers, once the command is issued, they perform the desired task. The instructions needed to perform the task are permanently stored in the internal memory of the computer. For example, a washing machine is an embedded computer used to wash, rinse and dry clothes. Some more examples of embedded computers are microwave oven, refrigerator, smart television, dishwasher, etc. A computer can also be classified according to based on type. There are analog computers, digital computers and hybrid computers. An analog computer is a device that works on physical quantities such as motion, pressure, voltage, current, etc. For example, in a clock, the hour, minute and second hands are continuously moving, and at any instance we can know the time from the clock. Here, the time is obtained by comparing hour and minute hands with marking on the dial. Some other examples of analog computers are meter scale, thermometer, speedometer, voltmeter, etc. Next is the digital computers. A digital computer is defined as an electronic device that accepts data in discrete values and produces the result in terms of digits or numbers. The digital computers uses binary form, that is using only two digits 0 and 1. Some examples of digital computers are desktop, laptop, smartphone, calculator, digital watches, digital weighing machine, etc. And hybrid computers. Hybrid computer is a combination of both digital and analog computers. The result can be obtained in analog as well as in digital form. So these computers are needed in specialized application where both the types of data needed to analyze the result. Some examples of hybrid computers are gas pump station, cement plant, ECG machine, means electrocardiogram machine, ultrasound machine, etc.